Do you also stop yourself because of your fear of speaking English? If you are somebody who has been dealing with this problem for a very long time, and despite working on each and every aspects of learning English, you are still holding yourself back from taking advantage of or taking advantage of any single opportunity just because of your fear, then this is the high time to work on your fear. Because if you are going to allow or let your fear to hold yourself back, then I don't think so you are going to accomplish your dream in future. Because when we always hold ourselves back because of some reasons, as um, fear of speaking English is one of the biggest hindrance, because of which a learner always suffers a lot throughout his journey. So you will have to conquer it. This is the high time to conquer it. And if you really want to get rid of this problem, then I'm going to tell you a particular way, a particular source. Just by using these resources, you can get rid of this fear. Because it is really very important for you, crucial for you to get rid of this fear. Because our fear is the only one reason because of which we always suffer in a life. We never achieve but we really want to achieve. We never get what we really want to get in your life. And if you really want to leverage this video, so you have to make sure that you're going to glued to this video till the very end. Because I'm going to give you um, many things in this video. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing amazing, and I Yashoda welcome you all on my YouTube channel. And friends, ever since I started my journey, I found myself that I also had that fear of speaking English, but not for a very long time. Because I could eliminate my fear at that very early stage of learning English language, when I was at a beginner stage. Because I started conquering my fear just by giving myself opportunity to speak in front of camera. So if you have any kind of fear, so first of all, it becomes your responsibility, it becomes your priority to get rid of your fear at that very moment. And if you have a fear of speaking English, then it will be overcome. Your fear will be got rid of just by practicing English or speaking English a lot. It means you need exposure, you need some partners, you need to create an English environment where you can talk with somebody, with whom you can find very easy. You can talk with somebody about your daily routine, about your household chores, and about your daily life. You can speak with somebody anything about your normal life with ease. Because the thing which really matters here is speaking, we know that. But just because of we don't have anybody in our environment, we don't have somebody to practice with, we don't find someone who is very um, believable, with whom we can share everything, and with who will not make fun of us. So finding this kind of partner is really arduous for us. But I can make it really very easy peasy for you. If you are looking for a particular environment for you to speak, then I'm here to share with you some information. Means I have recently started a WhatsApp group. You can join my WhatsApp group to get rid of this fear. And many homemakers, they have already joined. And this particular WhatsApp group is specifically for homemakers. So if you are the one who really wants to fly in the sky, and you want to make the most of, you want to make the most out of something, then you have to, I think you should try at least once. And you should give yourself that opportunity. Because through in this group, throughout the day, whenever you feel like, you can connect with somebody and you can talk about anything. You can, I will also guide you. I will also provide some vocabularies, and I will be providing some advanced sentence structures, and some once in a week, means twice in a week, I will also guide you through my group sessions. So you can take advantage of it. I think you should not stop yourself still, because today itself I conducted a group session, and I connected with all the homemakers who are there, who are the part of that WhatsApp group. So they connected with me, they told me their problems, and I gave them some solutions, and they will definitely work on that. So just by engaging ourselves with one-on-one conversation, or audio calls, through video calls, we can easily eliminate our fear. We can get rid of our fear. We just need to take the step. Suppose when I was a child, I'm just telling you my own way of getting rid of my fear. Because when I was a kid, so I used to watch lots of horror movies or horror TV serials. So at that time, I would think, oh, like, if the power is there is power cut, so in the evening time, and I would sit alone, so I would think only, somebody is there behind my back, and he would kill me, and he would harm me. But it was just my misconception, it was just a notion, it was nowhere. But I created that environment. I would watch those kind of videos. So those videos had made me to think like that somebody is there, somebody is standing behind you. And I would have a lot of fear about ghost. But as I grew up, I got to know about all the facts that there is no ghost. It is the ghost is only within yourself, that is in your mind. So if you try to make your mind understand that there's no ghost, so you can believe in this thing that there's no ghost. But if you believe in that thing, that I have a fear of speaking English, I have fear of speaking English, then you are going to believe in this thing, that you are not good enough, and you have a fear of speaking English. If you really want to, so now the most common way to get rid of any of your fear, you have to conquer your fear at that very moment. If you are scared of going outside, so you should take the initiative, you should start going outside. If you have a fear of talking or meeting with strangers, you should start at that very moment, you should start talking to strangers, you should start meeting your neighbors, and you can talk with your friends. You can eliminate your fear by this moment. You can join your relatives, your family members. So, because I am also once an introvert person, and I always stopped myself from going outside, from talking with anybody. But the moment I realized that this is the main reason because of which um, it has become a biggest hindrance on the way of developing my personality. So I started working on my this personality. I started talking, I started meeting to strangers. Not personally, I don't, because being a homemaker living in a village, I am not allowed to go and talk with strangers. But I can, through online resources, I am connecting. And even when I started my journey at that moment, in order to get rid of my this fear of speaking English, I started talking with the strangers through audio calls. First audio calls, then video calls. So one by one, we have to get rid of this fear, and we can get rid of this fear just by working on those fears. So if you have that fear of speaking, so you can join my WhatsApp group, and you will have to pay uh, only 150 rupees. And I think in this era, we don't paying 150 rupees, it's not a very big amount, it's very really affordable. You can pay it, and you can try to make the most out of it, and you should leverage it. It will foster, it will foster uh, your courage, your confidence, and your fluency, everything. So the purpose of making this video is only one, that I want you to give you a platform where you can join and you can take the advantage of this. So if you are interested in joining that group, so I will definitely provide you my number. You can message me on that number, and I can guide you throughout this journey. So if you really want to connect with me throughout this journey of learning English, so just by joining that group, you can be able to do that. You can do it, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.